So what is compounding a clip? A clip or clips, when you've got various clips on different parts of the timelines, you can compound them to make your video editing easier. It can help you cleaning up a mess on your timeline quickly and easily, such as effects and transitions. So it helps your video editing efficiency. So if you hold down the control key, highlight the clips you want to compound. Once you've got them all highlighted, press Alt and G. Alt and G for group. If you're not happy with what you've done, press Control and Z on your keyboard, or go along the top of the timeline, third on the left, and you've got the undo.